Hello students, welcome back e-classes of computer of standard 11. Let's start our next chapter, chapter number 2, animation tool Synfig. In previous chapter, I had discussed about multimedia and the basic building blocks of multimedia. To create a multimedia presentation using these building blocks, we need application program known as multimedia authoring tools. Multimedia authoring tools provide the framework for organizing and editing the elements of a multimedia project. Authoring software provides an integrated environment for combining the content and functions of a project. It enables the developer to combine text, graphics, audio, video, and animations into an interactive presentation or project. The authoring tools are classified into card or page-based tools, icon and event-based tools, time-based tools. In card or page-based authoring tools, the elements are organized as pages of book or pile of cards. The authoring tool links these pages into an organized sequence. It contains media objects such as button, text field and graphic objects. It provides a facility for linking objects to pages or card. Some examples of card-based authoring tools are HyperCard, linked cards, multimedia toolbook. Each page is a screen. In icon and event-based authoring tools, the elements are organized as objects in a structural framework or process. It is the simplest and easiest authoring process. Multimedia elements and interaction cues are organized as objects in a flowchart. Flowchart can be built by dragging appropriate icons from a library and then adding the content. Some examples of icon and event-based authoring tools are Authorware and Icon Author. In time-based authoring tools, the elements are organized along a timeline. Time-based tools are best suited for messages with a beginning and an end. The elements are displayed as per the time or location of the events. Some time-based tools facilitate navigations and interactive controls. Some examples of time-based authoring tools are Synfig, Pencil, Flash, and Director. There are many multimedia tools available in the market. Some of tools are proprietary and open source. Open source means a software for which the original source code is made freely available. Some of the open source animation tools easily available on the internet are Pencil and Synfig. Pencil is a 2D animation software to create traditional hand-drawn animation using both bitmap and vector graphics. Pencil is a free and open source. It is available on various operating systems like Mac operating system, Mac, Windows and Linux. The official website of a Pencil software is http://www.pencilanimation.org. This image shows the user interface of Pencil software. They are tools, options, display, color, timeline, and screen to create animation. In this chapter, we have to study only for Synfig Studio. So, we will discuss Synfig Studio in our next video. Thank you, students.